Guys, do you know what time it is?
It's time for
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of February 17th, 2023. Here are some upcoming events. This Monday, February 20th, is a teacher workday. No school for students. This weekend will be the secondary school trip to Marine Lab in the Keys. I will share the fabulous pictures in next week's video. Pink Shirt Day across the Palm Beach County School District is Wednesday, February 22nd to promote kindness. Please wear a pink shirt. Thursday, February 23rd is the annual Elementary School-Wide Plan meeting and fast training. Mrs. Smith will have more information about that later in this video. We are having a fundraising car wash on February 25th from 9 o'clock till 12 noon for our Aristocat play, our elementary cheer team, and Girls on the Run at the elementary campus. The Lake Worth Street Painting Festival will be on Saturday, February 25th and Sunday, February 26th. PBMA students and teachers will create beautiful chalk paintings on the streets of Lake Worth. Come out and see the beautiful creations. Save the date for McTeacher Night. On Wednesday, March 8th from 5 to 7 p.m., PBMA elementary teachers and staff will help serve meals at the Lantana McDonald's as a fundraiser. Please stop by with your family for dinner. Saturday, March 11th will be our next open house for students new to PBMA. 10 o'clock a.m. at the elementary campus and 11 o'clock a.m. at the secondary campus. This is a great time for fifth graders to see our middle school and for incoming kindergartners to see the elementary school. Please tell any family or friends that might be interested. Thursday, March 16th at 6 o'clock p.m. is the fifth grade Spring Fling Dance. Admission is $10 and pre-sale tickets are available. Spring break is Friday, March 17th through March 26th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi, PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, your elementary principal. I wanted to let you all know that we have a very informative training coming up next week, Thursday, February 23rd. This training will have two parts to it. The first part is called our Comprehensive Needs Assessment, which is where we seek input from you on how we continue to be a great school and improve anything we need to so your students have the best education possible. The second part of it is going to be for our third, fourth, and fifth grade students. We're going to be going over the FAST testing that will be taking place in May, our Progress Monitoring 3, and the impacts of that on promotion and retention and ways to help support your child at home. So please, if you can attend, please do so. If you are unable to, email Mrs. Cooper and she can share with you the PowerPoint slides. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Dvorak, elementary school counselor. I wanted to remind everyone that next Wednesday is Pink Shirt Day across the country. Both campuses can wear pink to stand united together against bullying at school and online. This ties in well with the Elementary Kindness Challenge this month. Our elementary kids have been showing kindness each day, and I hope it's continuing into the weekend at home too. Monday's challenge was to say something kind about themselves to build their self-esteem and confidence. I took their words and linked them together to be united as a school to continue kindness every day and not just on Valentine's Day. Thank you for your support to stand together at home and school.
Fundraising t-shirts are on sale for our Aristocat play, as well as cheerleading and basketball. Shirts are $13 for child sizes and $15 for adult sizes. The shirts can be worn instead of uniform shirts. They can be personalized with student names on the back for an additional $5. Order forms are in the office or send me an email and I will email one to you. Let's see what's happening in the Miss Terciero Media Center.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Bartlett, the media specialist at PBMA. What has 64 paws, 16 cold noses? Well, it's a dog sled team. Children are naturally interested in dogs, so what better way to draw them into reading than to learn about the Iditarod? The Iditarod, known as the Last Great Race, is a 1,000-mile dog race, sled race in Alaska. This week we are reading about Alaska's two most famous lead dogs, Balto and Togo. The students have compared the characteristics and chose their favorite dog. Stay tuned for more lessons on the Iditarod.
Who likes peanut butter? In celebration of Black History Month, Secondary Art is researching George Washington Carver. Mr. Carver was not only an accomplished artist, painter, pianist, and farmer, but he invented peanut butter. He was an expert in farming and specialized in peanuts and created many different varieties. Mr. Carver also wrote many books about farming, recipes, experiments, and much more. Students are continuing their practice of cursive writing by writing a paragraph about their research on George Washington Carver. Then they will be drawing and painting one giant peanut. And finally, here are the elementary Sharks of the Week. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll always be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.